guys, I would like to answer a question about how to delete terminated instances from EC2 dashboard. So, the reason behind is that when you terminate the instance from EC2 dashboard, it appears on your dashboard, but it will disappear from your dashboard after a while, because the reason behind is that the server may take some time to delete these instances permanently. So yes, just wait for a while, it will be deleted permanently from your dashboard. It may take some couple of minutes or couple of hours, so don't worry about that, it will be deleted. So that's about this video. Thank you.